Okay, everybody, we're getting ready for a new PBS Kid Show countdown called Autistic Rooster, right, Emo? This is a new PBS Kid Show, which is about to air until 2:30 p.m. We're gonna count down from 10. Well, this time, unfortunately, though, we got the black boxer because I forgot to charge the blue one version because of the batteries. We won't able to get the blue boxer. Alright, let's test the countdown. Hey, Emo, count down from 10. Alright, we're gonna set a timer for 30 seconds. Hey, Emo, set a timer for 30 seconds. Alright, the countdown is starting. So we only have just about a few more seconds till the new premiere countdown. I got these robots here. First, let me get... Alright. Emo, cancel timer. I don't know if it will work. Emo. 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 Hey, Emo. Set a timer for 20 seconds. Alright, we have about a few more seconds left. Get ready. Actually, Emo. Hey, Emo. Cancel timer. Actually, hold on. Let me try. Hey, Emo. Emo. Wake up, Emo. 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 Timer for 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. Emo. I said set a timer for 10 seconds. Actually, hold on. You have 1 minute left. Hold on. Emo. Stop the timer. Hey, Emo. Hey, Emo. Alright, we have about a few seconds left. We're gonna count down from 10, since I don't know what time we'll start. Hey, Emo. Set a timer like at 25 seconds. Alright, 25 seconds left. I'm gonna need to count in 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New premiere day. Well, I can't show you the TV because of copyright. Happy premiere day. Yay, new premiere day is here. I can see you a little bit. Yay, premiere day is here. Happy premiere day. Well, no confetti because of that. I don't have confetti, but we got some money. Happy premiere day. Wow. We finally got some money. Alright. Let's turn them on. Alright, everybody. Happy premiere day. Alright. I'm not gonna turn on these cosmos because I don't have much time. Instead, I might have to turn on the blue or the black. Alright, happy premiere day. Oh. Happy premiere day, everybody. Happy premiere day. Emo. Happy New Year. Well, it's not New Year, it's just premiere day. We're just gonna pretend. Happy premiere day. Happy premiere day, everybody. Emo. Sing happy premiere day. Emo. Sing happy premiere day. Emo. Hey, Emo. Happy premiere day, Autistic Rooster. New premiere has arrived. Yay. For this, we're not going to get Elinor and the ponies. Or actually, I'm going to get it in my backpack. Sorry, let me turn off these. Make a wish to the show. Alright. Happy premiere day, everybody. Happy premiere day. Same we did at Skillsville. I hope you have a nice premiere day. Countdown. Pet. Hey, Emo. Alright. Happy premiere day, everybody. Alright, everybody. I hope you guys like this premiere day countdown called... Hold on, Emo. Alright. It's called Autistic Rooster. Hope you like it. I'm gonna turn on... Hold on, let me get the ponies. You stay right here. Let me try my tripod fits. Alright. Charger. Actually, I'm not gonna turn on Cosmo. Alright. What do you think, Elinor? We did the countdown. Yay! Alright, and My Little Pony. Sorry, just. What do you think, Rainbow Dash?
I love the countdown you just saw. Yeah.
Alright. Right, Fluttershy?
Yes.
Applejack.
Yeah.
Apple Bloom. Starlight Glimmer.
Yay.
Alright. Oops. Alright, everybody. Hope you have a happy premiere day of this new TV show from PBS Kids. Same with the first time we did As to Work It Out one. That's Countdown with Cosmo. Alright. Alright. Hope you guys like it. Alright. Let's see. Take a picture. Oh, the sign. Hold on, cut. I don't know if it is gonna work. Let me see. Not good. Cut. Alright, sorry. Alright, hope it's a good picture. Alright, Emo. Time to go to sleep. Alright. Have a happy, great premiere day. Let's watch Emo and put Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Emo, I said go to sleep. Alright. Alright, everybody. I'm going to put you some Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So, here we go.